Hello everyone, welcome to JiggyNet host tutorial video on how to add a domain to Cloudflare. Alright, so we'll make it simple and very understandable for you. Okay, so here in your Cloudflare account, to add a domain name, you come to this place here that says onboard a domain. When you click on onboard a domain, click on onboard the domain. Here you will bring out this place here. You bring out this page where you feel like enter the details that you have to add for your domain. All right, you enter Proxima, like the name of your domain. Like the name of my domain is Proxima Travels. Proxima Travels. All right, proximatravels.com. Make sure your domain is correct. So let me check the correct name before I. Okay, this is the correct name here. This is the correct. Let me copy it right from my domain name registrar, right? So that I won't make any mistake. Okay, so I'll just come to this place here. Let me, because you have to be accurate with every information I'm providing here. So you will see, after that you see this place that says fix scan for DNS records. Don't choose the first one. Instead, manually enter DNS manually enter DNS record. Alright, so you choose it here and then click on continue. When you click on continue, it will take you to another page where you have to update your name server. Alright, this place here you ask you to choose a plan. Alright, you choose this free plan. Mind you, one account is entitled to three free domains. So you just click on this select plan. Alright, when you click on this select plan, you wait for it to load. Okay, when it is done loading here, you will see this is where you configure your this is where you configure your this thing your DNS, like you manually configure it here. Alright, so click on this add record. When you click on this add record here, you come to this part where it says type. Make sure that this type is a, like is a alone. Then this place that says name required. Alright, like that required means that is mandatory. So you just type at, as you can see here they specified it, use at, for rules. Alright, so here is the IP address of your hosting. This one now is pointing directly to your hosting, so that whatever data that is saved in your cPanel, it will now point to this particular cloud. For everything that you have here will be pointing to that domain name. Alright, to that hosting. Alright, so you just copy your IP address. In case if you don't have the IP address handy, you can just ask your hosting company to provide you with the IP address. As you can see, I have my IP address already saved somewhere. Alright, so I'll just copy it, come here and paste it. Alright, so after pasting it, the next thing that I need to do is to deactivate this proxy status. Just deactivate it so that it will be showing DNS only. Then this TTL, leave it at auto. So when you are done, what you just do is you click on save. When you click on save, next thing that you need to do is to click on continue to activation. Alright, click on continue to activation. Then here is where you have to update your name server. Update your names. This is the last step actually. Update your name server to activate Cloudflare. Alright, so it says here, this one now, just log into your domain registrar, anybody that's providing domain for you. Alright, you copy this first name server. copy this first name server, go to your registrar where you register your domain, and then update your name server here. Update, this is the name server of that domain that entered there. We'll just remove this one that was there before, and then update it with the one Cloudflare or provided for us for this particular domain that I want to add now. Okay, so what I'll just do is I will enter this one now, then go back and copy the second one. All right, when I copy the second one, I'll still go back to my domain registrar and paste it. When you paste it here, you click on change name server. When you click on change name server, you wait for it to load. As you can see here, it's loading. Let's just give it a little time so that it can, okay, yeah, it has finished uploading. So when you have saved it here, you come to this place here and click on continue. Make sure you have added the name server before you click on continue. All right, so when you are done, okay, when you are done, you know that when you update a name server, is normally it takes quite some time for it to update. So you just click on check for name server. It's not a must that it must update immediately. All right, so you just have to, when you get to this point, to give it some time. All right, when you give it some time before you just checking it, you see that whatever thing that you did actually worked. And if it did not work, then know that you did not follow the step properly. All right, so I will just go and open this website so that we can confirm if what we did actually worked, because that's the only way that we can know if what we did worked. All right, so let's go over to this place. Yeah, I entered that same domain here. Let's enter it here. Proxima Travels, proximatravels.com. Right, let's check. All right, as you can see here, is loading, which means that the everything that we did, the DNS of that Cloudflare actually pointed to our hosting. All right, so what you just need to do to confirm what you have done is come back here, then you refresh this page, so you see, just refresh and see that the status now will now change, like you'll be seeing that it has activated. All right, this place here now, it has changed to active, which means that what we did was successful. As you can see here, it says great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. So hooray, you finally activated Cloudflare on your hosting package. I believe this video was helpful. If it was, kindly leave a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to share this video to anybody that needs this, because I know that there are some developers that don't even know about how to do this, but when you share it to them, they will understand. And most importantly, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified about it. Thank you, and